Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you what to do if your iPhone hangs on Apple, or your iPhone does not respond to press, touch, and so on. That is, it just hangs, dumb, and does nothing. I will show and tell you how you can do a forced reboot of your phone, namely hard reboot on iPhone or iPad. Please watch this video to the end. Subscribe to the channel. Like it. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to press the plus button once, the minus button, and hold the off button until the Apple appears. Let me show you how it works. I press the volume plus button, the volume down button, and hold the phone down until the Apple appears. See, now I'm gonna get an Apple, and then I can release the button. But before I do that, I hold it down. I hold it down for about 10 seconds, maybe 15 seconds. Now the Apple appears. I let go. And now I have to wait for the phone to reboot completely. Turns on. And after that, we were able to do a hard reboot or a forced reboot. And after that, our iPhone or iPad should work. Should respond to the press, will not be dumb, and so on. Just turn it on, enter the password, and use it. If you liked and helped this video, you can put a like. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching. See you later. Goodbye.